And still with atmospherics, here's the weather.
Thank you very much, Jackie, and a very good evening to you. Well, at this time of year, we do see some beautiful but early sunsets. This one captured just north of Glasgow here. And actually a lot of dry weather this evening as we lose any rain from the far southwest. But all eyes up to here as we're looking at some fairly blustery, squally showers feeding in for a time tonight with a strong to gale force westerly wind. But they die away. The winds ease as well. Then it's a largely dry night with clearing skies, and we will see a bit of a frost in some rural parts. Temperatures falling to freezing, and elsewhere around about 4 Celsius in our towns and cities, and we may well see 1 or 2 mist or fog patches forming by morning. Now, I think the main focus of any fog would be through the central lowlands and through the Highlands, so we could see some fog first thing, but a dry start. Plenty of sunshine as well from first light, but then we start to see cloud building along the west coast as we head through the afternoon, a sign of things to come. But actually, it's going to be a lovely day for the Northern Isles. It'll be dry, there'll be sunshine as well, sunshine turning more hazy during the afternoon. Similarly for the far north and the northeast, but here's that rain just pushing into the Western Isles, if you can see it there, along with strengthening southerly winds along the west coast, and cloud tending to build along the west coast as well. Elsewhere, it's a dry picture, temperatures up to around 9-10 Celsius at best. So all in all, I think during daylight hours, pretty much a nice day. So as we head towards dusk tomorrow, again the dry conditions hold, but meanwhile we'll see that rain starting to gather force across the Western Isles and the northwest, becoming heavier and more persistent, and it will do overnight. During the evening it stays largely dry, but then we'll see that weather front approaching, the rain quite squally in nature. It's a band of rain crossing the country with strong winds associated with it, touching gale force across the far north, so a period of wet and windy weather during the overnight period. But then on Thursday, here it is first thing in the south, it clears away fairly quickly, and then it's a dry picture where it brightens up, good sunny spells. We'll see some blustery showers in the north, still some brightness coming through here, but I think the thing you will notice about Thursday is it's turning that bit colder. Then on Friday, some frequent showers for the west and north, quite windy here, plenty of sunshine for the south and east. That's your forecast.
Thank you very much, Judith. And now a reminder of tonight's main news. The First Minister